Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PayPal 180-day hold. This hold temporarily restricts access to your funds, often due to security protocols or policy reviews. It is crucial to log into your account right away. Look for the Resolution Center or any notifications regarding the hold. This will give you the specific reasons and initial steps you need to take. After reviewing your account, you must contact PayPal support directly. Having all your documentation ready will significantly speed up the process. This includes any shipping information, tracking numbers, or invoices for your transactions. Using the Secure Message Center in your PayPal account is often effective, or you can call their dedicated support line during business hours. Be prepared to explain your situation clearly. PayPal will generally ask for specific information to help resolve the hold. This might include copies of your government-issued identification, proof of address, or detailed transaction histories. For businesses, they may ask for registration documents or supplier invoices. Always double-check that every document you submit is perfectly clear and easy to read. Timely and accurate submissions are vital for moving your case forward effectively. After submitting your documents, continue to monitor your PayPal Resolution Center for any updates or further requests. The review process can sometimes take several weeks, but patience and prompt responses are key. Once resolved, make sure to keep thorough records for all your transactions, perhaps for up to 2 years. Adhering strictly to PayPal's user agreement helps prevent any similar holds from happening again in the future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.